And I love the way these trucks look after they're done. So if you got a new GMC, you got a new Chevy, you got to bring it to Fade to Black. What's up, everyone? This is Wayne from Fade to Black. I got another GMC Denali. The first GMC Denali video I did with the full windshield hit 20,000 views, so man, that's awesome. I appreciate to anyone that subscribed or anyone that checked that video out and all the people that left comments. But I got another one. I'm gonna do full windshield, front match, so we're gonna fade it out. Let's rock with it. So as you can see right now behind me, this GMC is clear fronts. Of course it has the rear privacy glass on it, but we're gonna be tinting the front and I'm gonna be tinting the front windshield. I usually use 50%, but we're gonna be doing a 70% ceramic film on this one. So 70% will help reduce a little bit of the glare, reduce the glare from headlights at night, and it's also a ceramic film, so that means it's gonna up the performance and it's gonna block out a lot more heat, helping keep the vehicle cooler. So when the vehicle's sitting or when you're driving into the sunlight, it's gonna just help radiate a lot of that heat off. So this film steps the game up. I've been installing ceramic film for a few years. I haven't been pushing it that much lately, but to do 70% film on the windshield is like perfect. Or a sunroof, or you can go over the rear privacy glass too in a 70% film, and it's just gonna help to keep the vehicle a lot cooler, help you not have to run the AC as more, and it just makes the vehicle way more comfortable. So let's get to this one. So I got the windshield and the windows all cleaned on the outside. I got the soak shield down in the windshield channel to keep the water from going down off into the back of the dashboard, and I got the dash pad on. So now let's start mocking up some film. Bada boom, bada bing. What's up, everyone? So if you've been following along, just completed fading the fronts out. By faded, I mean getting them dark, darkening them out, blacking them out, fading them out. So we got those two done. So two down, now we got one big windshield to go. And like I said before, we're gonna do a 70% on the whole windshield. I'm gonna get ready to unroll some 70 film and slap it on the windshield. All right, so this is a 70% film. And I know it doesn't look like much, and I know it looks clear, but like I said before, this is awesome for windshields. You can put it on your windshield, and if you're rolling, and if you're, you got issues with, you're worried about getting pulled over, stuff like this looks virtually clear, like I said before. So I can't say this is legal because it's not legal, but a 70% film on your windshield, no one will notice it. But it's gonna give you an added benefit of reducing a little bit of glare, like I said, from the sun and from oncoming headlights. And it's a ceramic film, so it's comprised of different particles that will help keep your interior cooler. So when you got this vehicle sitting out in the sun all day in a parking lot, or you're facing the sun and this is beating in, it's gonna help just filter more heat and keep your heat cooler and keep your vehicle cooler. All right, so I know it might be hard to see, but there is film on this windshield. You can see by the ripples and the waves going across the windshield that there is film on there. So like I said, this film is virtually clear, and for most people, they wouldn't even know it's there, but it does help filter out heat and it does help filter out light. So let's get it shrunk and get it installed, and this truck will be good to go, faded. All right, people, so there you have it. Faded this one out, full windshield in 70%, did the side windows in 20%. It's all blacked out, it's ready to go. I'm gonna take it back to the customer right now. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button, click a like button, give a brother a thumbs up, keep checking out the video. I got more content to go as I have time to do it, but it's another windshield. So thanks to all that watched that 20,000K view video on the last windshield we did on my wife's GMC. So like I said, this is another one. That video got tons of hits. So this is a 70% clear ceramic film on the windshield. Side windows front match. This thing's faded, ready to go. Thanks for watching. Peace.